From the towering redwoods to the smallest blade of grass, the plant kingdom possesses an extraordinary ability, the power to create the very air we breathe. This is the story of oxygen, a tale of intricate processes, invisible to the naked eye, yet fundamental to the existence of life on Earth as we know it. Join us as we delve into the hidden world of plants and uncover the miraculous journey of oxygen production. In the grand tapestry of life, plants stand as the ultimate alchemists, transforming sunlight into the lifeblood of our planet. This remarkable feat, known as photosynthesis, is a symphony of intricate steps orchestrated within the very cells of leaves. Imagine a world devoid of oxygen, a desolate landscape where life as we know it could not exist. From ancient rainforests to vast grasslands, plants labor tirelessly, releasing a constant stream of oxygen into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis, a term derived from the Greek words for light and putting together, is a process of breathtaking elegance and complexity. Within the chloroplasts, tiny structures residing within plant cells, a remarkable transformation takes place. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, setting in motion a chain reaction that culminates in the production of glucose. The true marvel of photosynthesis lies in the remarkable byproduct it yields, oxygen. At the heart of this extraordinary process lies chlorophyll, a pigment of remarkable ability. When sunlight strikes a chlorophyll molecule, it excites an electron, raising it to a higher energy level. This energized electron then embarks on a journey, passing through a series of molecules, much like a baton being relayed in a race. This process, known as the light-dependent reaction, sets the stage for the creation of glucose and the release of oxygen. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, plays a critical role in photosynthesis, acting as a source of electrons. Carbon dioxide, drawn from the atmosphere through tiny pores on leaves known as stomata, provides the carbon atoms necessary for the construction of glucose. This intricate interplay between water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight highlights the remarkable efficiency of photosynthesis. As photosynthesis unfolds, a remarkable transformation takes place. Water molecules, split apart during the light-dependent reactions, release oxygen as a byproduct. Imagine plants as the lungs of our planet, inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen in a continuous cycle that sustains life as we know it. Plants, through the process of photosynthesis, play a vital role in regulating our planet's atmosphere, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Forests, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, act as vast carbon sinks, absorbing and storing massive amounts of carbon dioxide. However, deforestation poses a significant threat to this delicate balance, exacerbating the effects of climate change. As we've journeyed through the intricate world of oxygen production in plants, we've witnessed a process of remarkable elegance and importance. Yet this delicate balance is under threat from deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve plant life, ensuring a healthy and vibrant planet for all future generations. The story of oxygen is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth, maintained by the tireless work of plants. Their ability to transform sunlight into the very air we breathe is a marvel of nature, shaping the destiny of life on our planet. Let us remember their importance and strive to protect them for generations to come.